Hey everyone! If you often need to turn product ideas or bug reports into GitHub issues, you should really check out this GitHub Issues Agent. It takes your quick notes and turns them into proper issues developers can use right away. Before you start chatting with the agent, there are just a couple of quick setup steps. First, open the Edit panel from the menu in the top right. Here you can change the AI model, and you can also tweak the initial prompt. The assistant already comes with built-in skills for GitHub issues, but to actually create or update issues for you, you need to give it a Github Personal Access Token. Here's how to get one. Log into GitHub, click your profile picture in the top right, go to Settings, then Developer Settings, then Personal Access Tokens. Choose Fine Grain Tokens, and click Generate New Token. Pick a name for your token. This will help you remember what it's for. Then set an expiration date. For example, 90 days or a custom value. Choose which repositories you want the token to work on. You can pick a single repo or multiple repos. Next, set the permissions. At minimum, turn on issues with read and write access. Finally, click Generate. Copy the token somewhere safe. Remember, GitHub only shows it once. Now go back to the agent settings page. Paste the access token. Click Connect. And that completes the GitHub skill set setup. Next, tell the agent which repo to use. Whenever it searches or creates issues or pull requests, it has to know the repo path. The easiest way is to add the repo info right into the prompt box, like this. Once you've done these two steps, you're good to go. The agent can now create issues directly in your GitHub project. Let's try an example. I'll type, add a dark mode toggle so users can switch themes and settings. The assistant might ask me a few follow-up questions. When it's ready, it generates a structured issue with a title, background, description, and acceptance criteria. If I'm happy with it, I just reply go ahead, and the issue goes straight into my GitHub repo. Super easy. And if you'd like to try it yourself, go to Bika.ai, open the Template Center, and install the GitHub Issues Creator.